In this quick DJ tip, I'm going to show you why you should sometimes set hot cues on your tracks that you never press. So why? Well, here is a track, a long house track. It's about 8.5 minutes long. I've got a hot cue on the outro beats here at the very end. So here the beats just kind of peter out, and after a while there's just a kick drum left and a snare, right? It's all standard stuff. So this is a safe place to mix out from. So here and here, these two hot cues here, I've got set to something where I'd never press them. Why? Because they're showing me places in the track where I can safely jump to the outro beats in order to shorten the track. In other words, they are marker hot cues that mark something, but there's no purpose for pressing them. At least there's no purpose when I set them for pressing them. You might decide to use them for anything in the future. So let's see how they work. This hot cue here is right near the beginning of the track, where it's within about 3 minutes of the start of the track. So far the track has done this. Usual house intro. This bit sounds similar to the end bit we just heard. Big build, really big build, into a drop. And then it's kind of done. And we could happily mix out from here if it's just done its job, we don't want to carry on. And that's what this hot cue here, this first one that's coming up now on our screen, tells me. I can safely jump to this one. And there we go, a short version of the track that's been made maybe about 4 minutes long instead of 8 minutes long. And the next one along is exactly the same thing. The next one along is just another version of that, a little bit further on in the track. Your audience is enjoying the track a little bit more, and so you want to let them hear a bit more of it. So 2 options there. All right, a couple of other tips. You'll notice that these are color coded. We have a color code system we teach here at Digital DJ Tips, but in this instance, the ones that are of interest to us are pink. We use pink for hot cues we're never going to press. They're just markers. And this blue one is something that we are going to press that takes us to a part in the track. In this instance, the outro beats. Also, you might notice that this says jump to outro over these hot cues and outro over this one. So some DJ software will let you do this. Serato does let you do it. You can click into the little area above a hot cue and then put whatever you want there. And when you put it there, it shows on, in this case, the Rain 4. It's a nice thing to have, but I think using colors is probably the more universal way of doing it. So if you can label them, great. If not, just use colors. It does the same thing for you. There's loads of other ways you can use marker cue points. So I'd like you to share with us how you use marker cue points in your DJ setup. Do you label them? Do you have a special color for them? Do you use them for other things I haven't mentioned here? Please let us know underneath. And this kind of thing is what we cover in our brand new Transitions Toolbox DJ course. It's our biggest new mixing course for 3 years, and it covers 50 done for you transitions, 50 of them that you can literally take from our lessons and drop into your next DJ set. Mashups, acapella mixes, quick mixes, transitions that will get people's heads turned instantly. You follow along and learn. More importantly, it teaches you about all the features on modern DJ gear, including the latest real-time stems features. And even more importantly than that, the course gives you the creative skills to find these kind of transitions for yourself, because we explain and show you how we came up with them. So it's a lovely course. We're very proud of it, and you can learn more about the Transitions Toolbox underneath. Meanwhile though, do let me know how you use marker cues in your DJing, and get good, get out there, make the moments. I'll see you in another free lesson very soon. Bye for now.